Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 4 to the power of n minus 3 to the power of n is equals to 7, and we will solve this problem for the integers value of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can rewrite this equation as, here you have 4 to the power of n. Now first I can multiply its power by 2. I can multiply and divide by 2. Similarly, here I can multiply and divide its power or exponent by 2, and whole is equals to 7. And now we can use here the nice exponential law here, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now we use this nice law here. So according to this law, we can write here, or we can just take 1 over 2 exponent inside the term, and you get 4 to the power of n over 2 and its whole squared, minus here you get 3 to the power of n over 2 and its whole squared, and this whole equation is equals to 7. And now we want to change this nice exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that here I can take a is equals to 4 to the power of n over 2 and b is equals to 3 to the power of n over 2. And here you remember one thing is that these both a and b belongs to positive integers, because you know that about exponential functions, these are always positive and it always gives the positive value, so that it cannot be negative, both of these a and b. And now we can put a and b in this equation, and you can get here a squared minus b squared is equals to 7. And in the left hand side we will apply here the nice square identity, and you know about this identity, a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b times of a minus b is equals to 7. And now you can focus in the left hand side, and here you see that we have two factors, these are multiplied by each other, and now we convert its right hand side into factors form, so that we can write its right hand side as a plus b times of a minus b is equals to 7 times of 1. And now you can compare both of the sides, and you will get the two cases. The first is a plus b is equals to 7, and the second is a minus b is equals to 1. So here we have these two equations, and now we will solve these two equations, and we can first find the values of a and b, and after that we will back substitute and we can get the values of n, so that in the next step we can just add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when you can add, so this b is cancelled out each other, and here you get a plus a is 2a is equals to 7 plus 1 is 8, and here you obtain the value of a is equals to 8 over 2, and 8 over 2 will becomes 4. So the value of a will becomes 4, and now we can put this value of a in equation number 2. Put in equation number 2 or equation number 1, I can just put it 1 here, and you get the value of b is equals to 3. So this is the value of b, and now we can back substitute the values of a and b. So I can just write here a is equals to 4 and the value of b is equals to 3, and here we can suppose that a is equals to 4 to the power of n over 2 and b is equals to 3 to the power of n over 2. So we can put both of these values here and you get 4 to the power of n over 2 is equals to 4 and 3 to the power of n over 2 is equals to 3. And now you can compare both of the sides, and here you see that n over 2, in this case n over 2 is equals to 1. Similarly, in both of the cases you get n over 2 is equals to 1. And finally you can say that we have the value of n is equals to 2. So this is the our final value of this question, and now we can check that is this value satisfies the given question statement or not. So our question statement is 4 to the power of n minus 3 to the power of n is equals to 7. And now you can just put n is equals to 2 here, and you see that is both of the sides are equal or not. So when you can put here, then you get 4 squared minus 3 squared is equals to 7, and 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9 is equals to 7, and 16 minus 9 is 7 is equals to 7. So this shows that n is equals to 2 satisfies the given question, and finally we conclude that n is equals to 2 be the only solution or only integer solution of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.